So Steve, what are you doing?
Filing down a screwdriver here on the concrete so it can fit into some tight places that I need for fixing microphones and speaker wires, stuff we break on a daily basis, gigging almost every day. So this is part of maintenance, is fixing the stuff, but sometimes you got to have the right tools, and in order to get it you got to customize it. So I'm doing a little caveman filing here on the concrete, but it's getting nice. You see it? It's getting real slim. Right here I got to work off this little rounded piece right here. It's going to be a nice customized flathead. Green handle.
That's like Bronze Age technology.
Hey, sometimes this is how I get through in life.
We should have the Steve MacGyver. Very well in front of it.
The Steve MacGyver show.
Keyboard is not responding. There you go. This is still the same shit.
So did it fit in the microphone?
Yeah, we fixed it. It's good. I'm just making it finalized off now a little bit, so it's really going to be more than just a one-time job.